I love Madrid. It's one of the most multicultural cities I've ever been. I think that is the same in Cardiff. It will be interesting to go inside the city, not only just looking at what I expect from Cardiff. I visited many places in the world, but this is my first time in Cardiff, in Wales. Let's explore the 2017 European Football Capital. Romans were here, Normans were here, and Javier Thori is here. Let's see the Cardiff Castle. This is one of the homes of Marquess of Bute, at the time the richest man in the world. Amazing. And over there in the stadium, the European kings will be crowned. One of the things that I love the most of this stadium is that it is located in the city center, so you can enjoy both tourism and sports in the same area. Let's enjoy the perfect Welsh tea time, the Welsh cake, butterbeer, and of course the tea. Seaweed with cockles. For the second course, I'm gonna try the fagots and peas and sports day tradition. Every sports fan likes the beer, and this is Brain, the local Cardiff beer. Yahida! 30 years ago, nobody came into the city docks, and now the Cardiff Bay is one of the top attractions in the city. This is the Millennium Centre, the icon of the modern Cardiff and a platform for the international arts here in Wales. Well, here in the Chapel restaurant, I must say goodbye to you. I'm going to enjoy my meal. I hope you enjoy the city I've shown you.